What's up, guys? Thank you for checking into another episode of Streetcar Shenanigans Shop Vlog. And on today's episode, we are giving you an update on the Ecoboost Mustang, which we haven't really done any work on, but I'll show you. Stay tuned. So Dan decided to find a set of wheels. It's dark outside. We've been working on the notch all day. We'll bring you guys an update on that here shortly. But Dan decided to get a set of wheels that fit. You guys can't see me at all. The rear wheels were broken. There's no way that's working.
No, it'll move. But I found well, Mikey found the issue on the other side. The spindle is broken.
These are trashed. Jeez. You gonna drive it, Dan?
Yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. Come on.
I need the tuner lug nuts.
Alright, go ahead, put it down.
What's wrong with that one?
Huh?
What's wrong with this one?
This side just bent. The whole knuckle is bent.
Nice.
Watch out. Good. Beautiful. She's on the ground.
I think that's made for drifting. Oh, you're gonna tear that fence.
Okay, wait, jack it back up. We need to use a little
Persuasion.
Yeah, exactly. A little persuasion on that.
That's touching.
Yes. Jack it up.
Got a big pry bar?
Anywhere works?
Yep, I think so.
It's way easier to jack a car when it doesn't matter if you're lifting.
Wrecked. It's gonna drift left really well.
I think I could do the same shit I did on the other Ranger, where I just kick the fucking sides of it. See how big of a dent I can put in it with one kick.
Oh boy. These are not the tools recommended for body work. I'm gonna watch. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, 2x4 too.
I don't know how they even totaled this, really. I mean, I think it's pretty clean.
Savable.
It actually is, though. A little bit of rear suspension
Do this,
work.
put 2x4 and just drop the jack.
Right. Not opposed. Oh, there she goes. It started going on the back. I mean, it's got to come out a long way.
Go down.
Oh.
So close, but so far.
Okay, can I fucking kick the side of it and see if it'll just go further into where it doesn't matter? Is it?
Go up again. Okay.
Run in and grab a 2x4. Oh, there we go. Oh, mint. I'm with Mikey. I can't believe they totaled it. It's pretty much fixed now. Fucking mint. Just don't hit any bumps. Alright, let's see. Now what's next?
Oh.
Close?
Yeah. What the fuck? Give me baby ones? Yeah, one.
Oh, I didn't know you were doing this.
Put it in the tightest spot and have Mikey drop it like you were saying.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go down.
Drop it.
This is that hella flush life. Oops. I don't know if the wheel's moving in or if the fender's coming out. Probably both.
That's how you roll the fenders. Beautiful.
Oodles.
Nice. Look at that.
Oodles
Look
of
at that
clearance.
fender gap. All right, drop her.
She down.
Down and dirty. Okay. Ready to dig.
Oh, this door opens too.
Man,
Did you show him the wheel? Or lack thereof?
ooh, that's lightweight. Is that a hybrid wheel? Oh, yes. That is some good wall art. That is sweet.
Somebody did a good
Think
job.
that TPMS sensor's still good? That's salvageable.
Maybe.
Damn.
I think it's about time to fire her up.
We gotta let her get to operating temperature.
That's right. She's got coming.
Just
forward.
wait, yeah, that's all the way in the car.
All right, 3 tarps, 2 car covers on top of a wrecked vehicle. Money well spent.
Let me just position these body panels
Yeah, just,
for our drive today.
You're telling me that a frame machine can fix this? I think they gave up early.
all right, go ahead.
Does the handbrake work?
I think so.
Nice. Let's just show you guys the extreme camber here. It looks worse in person than it does on camera. Got a little bit of toe out, no big deal. Runs pretty good though. No, it's much better like that.
I don't know what I didn't do about that.
I think you just probably came off of the cold start. Bump it in reverse a little bit.
Well, get the...
Bump it in reverse. That's what I'm telling you.
Got it?
Yep.
I need the key.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna tear those tires up.
Yeah?
It's gonna try to climb over that curb is my prediction. Oh yeah. Oh, it's fucked up. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Let me look at the other side. Hold on. Try again.
Oh my god. Try again.
I want to see what this side looks like. And then we're going to back it right back up because it ain't going anywhere.
Try. Oh, it's got it.
It'll back up better than it drives forward, I bet. Go forward.
I think it'll go around the building.
You're fighting that back tire.
Oh, it's so much.
How close am I?
Oh, you got plenty of room. That thing's messed up. Keep going. This wheel's actually straightened out pretty good now.
Yeah, hold on. We might not be done.
This one's still effed. It'd be nice to get closer to the curb.
Oh, thanks. I'll try again.
Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. It's like a fucking crap.
Yeah.
It just walks sideways.
Just pull forward again and then back. When you go forward, it moves over to the right.
Go forward.
A little more. A little more. All right, go back.
On the back.
You're gonna run over the bungee cord on the side. I would say a little more. Bump it one more. Good. Nice. How's she feel?
Oh, here it's creaks and the body flexing.
Is there any more lights that could be on? Or do we got them all?
I think that's.
I don't know. I think we're.
That's about all of them.
Engine light's not blinking though, so that's good. Oil pressure, we have oil pressure.
Is the check engine light on?
Yes. It's for evap.
Oh yeah, it's for evap. And it's the box is right next to it.
Yeah, the box is right here.
That's the evap box? Oh shit.
We'll get her to work, don't worry. She will pass emissions.
Well, at least the two front tires are out the top.
Yeah.
Well guys, there's a quick update on the Ecoboost. It does not drive even with wheels and tires.
I don't know about drives, but it moves. That's all we can hope for.
Questionable. It's debatable.
We will have to drive it backwards to the shop though.
Yes.
That's the only problem.
Yeah, we won't have to push it.
Luckily.
That's good. That's good enough. What more could we ask for? Like, this looks pretty good right now. I mean, it looks bad, but it looks good. It looks like it would drive straight.
I want to kick it. However, the other side.
The other side is what's really no good.
Maybe we can give it a nice little hefty, you know, kick. Bump it over.
It seems pretty solid. All right, you gotta pack her up.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see you guys in the next video update on the other projects. We got a couple in the shop. That's a wrap.